Hey y'all, so I wanted to talk to you about something you've probably seen around, and that's this. It's got this on the back, and basically this is supposed to move with you while you film, which, you know, as a product reviewer, this would be a big deal for me because I don't have someone to help me film. I film everything by myself. This is the product. It does have a nice heavy base. The base actually can screw onto a tripod, so the idea is great. This you have to loosen to move this, and then you tighten it once you have it in the position that you want to lock it in. This does not come out. It's as tall as it gets. It does, however, move forward and backward. So the idea is that it would rotate the camera to follow you. So to turn it on, you press and hold this. And I thought it was gonna just be something simple as Bluetooth connection. But then I actually opened the box and read the instructions because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work. In the instructions, it tells you that there's an app that you need to have. Now, that app, if you search manually in the App Store, it is there. But if you try to scan the QR code in the guide, you actually get a super spammy website. I guess they stopped owning their domain. There's not a lot of people talking about this. I do, however, I see that Target still sells this. I got mine at Walmart on super clearance for like $3. So I'm glad that's all it was, because if not, I would be very angry. It says that you can use it with other apps like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, all of that. But it says to click other apps, and then it asks to record your screen, but it does nothing. Like, this doesn't move. Now, I did, however, if I use the app that was requested, I could get it to spin left and right. But the moment you click to take a photo, the app crashes. And not only does it crash, it also has a giant watermark that you can't get rid of. There's no like purchasing an upgrade in the app. There's no settings for it. It's literally just there. I've tried doing video with it. I have once gotten about a 3 or 4 second long video before the app crashed. Every other time the app crashes immediately when I try to use it. So this, avoid this. They are still selling this. iJoy, when I look them up, the only website I can find for them, they don't sell this kind of stuff anymore. They sell vapes, and that's it. Yeah, it's a cool idea, but this is a piece of junk. Like, this doesn't work at all. So don't waste your money, because there are people that have bought these on clearance and are now selling these in Facebook Marketplace for double, triple what they paid for. Yeah, there's people selling for $30. So don't fall victim. This is a skip. Does not work. Thanks so much for watching my video. I will see you guys later.